How to change notification sound on iPhone for apps. Hey guys, so let's just head on and open up the settings app right here. And under the notifications option, you should be able to see the sounds and haptics option. So tap on that and immediately under the sounds and haptic patterns, you have all of these options to change the notification sound into. So first, you can change the sound for the ringtone. So this includes the calls you receive on your phone. So you can just tap on that. You can also customize the vibration pattern or something like that. You can also go to the tone store and install of the tones that are available for you to customize to. And then you have a long list right here to change the ringtone to. So you can just click on a specific ringtone and preview the sound. And if you like it, just set it as that ringtone. Now we can go back and also change the tone for the text tone for when a new voicemail comes, a new mail, sent mail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts. So unfortunately, iPhone only allows these customizations for certain apps or features on your iPhone. So it only includes a voicemail, mail, calendar, and the reminder app. So for the other apps, that might not be possible. So you can just go to these settings. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.